In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix social button is not showing on TikTok or can't link Instagram and YouTube on TikTok. So let's dive right in. So to fix this, we need to open this Play Store. If you are using Apple, you can open App Store from there and then simply search for TikTok. Search it, open it, and here you need to make sure that you are using updated version of TikTok. After updating, you can open it from home page. Open up your profile that's showing right bottom side. Then click on these three lines that's showing right top side and open up this settings and privacy. Then simply scroll down. Here you'll find this report a problem. Here you need to open this account and profile and select editing profile. At the second last option, you will find here this unable to link Instagram accounts to the profile. You need to open it and it will show you this guide, like if you are unable to link your Instagram account from your profile, you can simply switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to try again. After switching, you can simply clear cache and restart the app. And the third thing, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. After doing these three steps, if you are still facing the issue, you can simply click here need more help and then you can describe your issue here. Like you can request TikTok team to fix this. Social button is not showing on TikTok, and after writing your problem, you can simply submit it from this button. So that's the process to fix social button is not showing or can't link Instagram and YouTube on TikTok in just few easy steps.